Shalom. So today we will be making turkey sausage breakfast patties because we don't eat pork and also we don't like nitrates in our food. So it's very difficult to find breakfast patties that are to our liking and that are clean and are tasty, healthy, all those things. Okay, we're back, and so for this recipe, I'm doubling it, so you can just make everything in half. So for 5 pounds of ground turkey, you will need 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you don't know how to make brown sugar, check out my other recipe on how to make brown sugar from molasses and regular cane sugar. Okay, so we need 10 teaspoons of dried sage. I'm hoping I have enough. If I don't, it'll be fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oops. That's good. 10. We need 8 teaspoons of salt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need 8 teaspoons of basil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 teaspoons of pepper. 1, black pepper. 2, 3, 4. 1 teaspoon of marjoram. I don't know if it's, well, marjoram. Not quite focusing on that. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Okay. And half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, hot pepper flakes. Half a teaspoon. Oh, I got the wrong one. Half a teaspoon. Okay. And so we're going to mix this all together, and it needs to sit overnight. And then in the morning we will add some breadcrumbs to it and then shape them into patties. So I'm just going to mix this up like this by hand. I got a nice little glove. You can just use your hands without a glove, but I happen to have these handy, so I'll get this all mixed up and then show you what it looks like, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, I'm almost done mixing it. Just kind of show you what it looks like in here. I don't know if I have enough light here, but I could turn the light on. Okay, there we go. Sorry. So you see all the little bits of onion that are in it now. You can see it. They were all stuck on the bottom before. So just mixing it in, making sure it's all incorporated. This is going to go overnight so all the flavors can go in there and blend in, and it'll be super delicious tomorrow when we make the patties and fry them up. And I usually make a really giant batch and then store my leftovers, and then I fry them all up, and then I store them in the freezer, and then anytime we feel like having breakfast patty, we just grab it out, pop it in the toaster oven, and then we can have breakfast patty whenever we feel like it. And it's a nice snack, or you can have it for dinner. You can make biscuits and gravy, you know, stick a few chunks of these sausages in your gravy, all sorts of stuff. Put some in, drop some in your spaghetti sauce, you know, endless ways to use it. So there you have it. I'm just going to put some plastic wrap on top of this, stick it in the fridge overnight, and then we'll see you tomorrow when we roll them out. Shalom. Shalom, we are back. I'm sorry, I did not film the forming of the patties or the frying of them, but this is what they look like after. And so I usually fry it on a cast iron frying pan, and when you fry them, try to push them down a little bit with your spatula so that you can get some of the juices out, and make sure you fry them well because you don't want medium rare turkey sausages. Okay, enjoy!